A10 Room Booking System is tailor-made for hybrid workplace management. It optimizes the use of any workspace by seamlessly integrating with Calendar Server. You can easily find an open room. Just look for the green light and quickly book it with just one tap. If a room's being used, you can search for open meeting rooms in seconds. A room that's going unused can be freed up in two ways. If a meeting is cancelled, users can just tap to release the room. Or, if nobody tapped to check into a room, the system will auto-release it. When it's time for a meeting, just check in with a tap. Need more time? Just tap a button and extend your meeting. Of course, if you finish a meeting early, don't forget to check out. The Calendar service will release the room on time to optimize the space. What's more, you can use the RBS configurator to custom design the panel's appearance. Add a logo to enhance organization identity. Choose the calendar format style. Adjust the background color image or replace it. Customize your brand image as you wish. Intelligently gather and manage collaboration for rooms of all sizes. A10 Room Booking System, your room management expert.